All right, to do this install, you're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver, a T27, a T30, and something to cover up your front fender and your gas tank. Make sure you don't scratch nothing up. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and skip for right now how I pulled everything off. But pretty much, you're gonna reach right in here. If you got a 2020, it's right behind there. This little deal, see that red wire? That's what the actual adapter piece looks like. You're just gonna pop it in. It's gonna come with this little, where is it? Right here. You're just gonna unplug this. Unplug this, push it to the side, plug in the adapter, which is it's kind of hard to get to, but if I zoom out, it's gonna be right behind this little piece right here. It's actually mounted to it. I don't want to jack it up, but it ain't this one. Remember, it's silver. It ain't black, because I almost did it on that. I was like, man, this is the wrong piece. No, it's not it. It's actually behind there. It's this one. So just giving y'all a heads up on that. After you get it going, pretty much turn the bike on, and you're gonna be good. Real quick, you're gonna have to pull off the wind deflectors right here. Let me see. Both of those. Undo this for the signal. And there's gonna be one bolt right here on the inside. You have to pop the speaker grill out to get to that. Plus these two clips. And you're good. Just remember, before you take off these, either have somebody hold it or have one hand on it, because this whole fairing is gonna come down. All right, after you turn the bike on and plug your phone up, this is what it's gonna look like. So, super duper convenient. Realistically, this is gonna take you probably about 30 minutes to pull everything off, put in the adapter, make sure it works, put it all back. That's it. Phillips screwdriver, T27, T30, something to cover up the fender and the gas tank. That's it. Super easy. Also, keynote. I looked this up because I asked Harley. It's like, hey, you know, I'm interested in getting Apple CarPlay. They said, hey, you have a whim. I said, man, what is that? I didn't know nothing about it. Long story short, I did my own research. Remember, always do your own research. Harley's going to charge you about $300-something to do this same job that I just did in about 30 minutes with a $15 part. So, game changer. That's all I can say. Till next time, man, I appreciate y'all for watching the video. Stay tuned. More videos on the way. Y'all be careful. See you.